Hi guys. So I'm currently a student in the Forex Beginners Academy, which was created by Saad Ali. And I would like to give my review on the course. So I started knowing nothing about Forex. My knowledge is very limited. When I did come across it, I, of course, heard good and bad, but I really wanted to learn about it. So I started researching, and then I came across uh, the material that was created by Saad. And so I was really drawn to it. And as I took the time to learn about it, there were a lot of different things that took me away about it. So, for example, learning about the different tools, the market structure, and analyzing the charts. Those were all very new. And of course, it was a challenge, but I'm very happy that I took the time to really try and learn about it and to soak in the information that was being taught. I really felt that it brought me a different type of satisfaction that I haven't felt for a long time. And it was something different, and I really feel that it's something that I could be great in. And it's something that I look forward to learning about every single day. I really would recommend the course that was created by Saad to anybody that is looking to learn about Forex. He's an awesome mentor, and I really do like the private Facebook group. We also have other mentors in there that help provide feedback for the charts that we're able to mark up. And there's a lot of other students that we're able to connect with and we can continue to learn with. And it's free. The material's free. So I feel it's a great thing to take advantage of and just continue to keep learning. And as Saad teaches, seek knowledge first, and along the way the other things that you're seeking will come. But I really enjoy the course. I am learning, and of course I'm making my mistakes, but it's okay. That's something that I'm learning not to take hard. And just to know that trying is what counts. But I do thank the mentors. Thank you, Saad, for what you've been able to help create for us, so we can become great traders. And yes, I am very satisfied with the course, and I would recommend it definitely.